What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a pretty scary video if I'm being honest. I have been putting this off for so long. We're going to be perming my eyelashes today. I've been very scared to do this because I don't want to end up with very janky eyelashes, but you gotta record it eventually, right? I've had this box for months now and I just am now getting around to opening it and trying it out, and hopefully I don't end up with extremely odd looking lashes.
Hey guys, it's me from the editing world. Just wanted to pop on in because I actually didn't throw in a disclaimer during the video, but I am not an esthetician or whatever it is that are licensed to do this. I'm just doing this for fun to see if I end up with results that I'm happy with, so proceed with caution or watch me proceed with caution.
This is the one that I bought off of Amazon. When I bought it was $9.99 plus like $2.99 of shipping. It wasn't Amazon Prime. I'll have it linked down below. Hopefully it's the same price, but I'll have the one that I bought. There are a lot of similar ones online also, especially on Amazon, so I guess you can buy those too, but let's see how this one goes. I guess it's the brand Bicidai, but ooh. Oh, I think these are like the little rods that you put your eyelashes on. They have a little pamphlet. Oh, okay. Nice. There's lots of English instructions. I say that because there's a bunch of Chinese instructions here that I unfortunately can't read. I did read some reviews. It said to use your own eyelash glue as like a barrier between your lid and their eyelash glue, because apparently their eyelash glue is very difficult to get off of your face. So when you put these down, I guess you want to use your eyelash glue between both. Can I just use mine then? It's probably what I'm going to do. Wait, why are there pink ones, but then this is showing me rods, and I see these things. This is like shoelace material. You know, the end of your shoelace thing? So interesting. Okay, I should probably put my hair away. Don't judge the way my hair looks today. So, I'm really confused by why there are two different types of rods here. I don't think I'm going to use these ones. I think I'm going to use these instead. We have the pink rods, the white ones, and then we have 4 solutions in here and the eyelash glue, which I heard is very, very strong, so be careful. This one is 1 eyelash perming solution, 2 eyelash treatment first cream, 3 eyelash cleanser, and 4 eyelash restore. Okay. From what I read from the instructions on the back of the box and also from the reviews, again, use your own eyelash glue, and then it also said, so you're going to apply the pink rods to your eyes. You choose the size of the rod based on how long your lashes are. Small, medium, large, basically. You use glue to stick your eyelashes to the rod, and then you apply the perming solution, clean that off, apply the treatment, clean that off, and then the restore. Each one is going to take 8 to 12 minutes, and then an additional 1 to 2 minutes if you have thick eyelashes. I don't really have thick eyelashes, so I should be fine on 8 to 12 minutes. I'll probably stick for the middle, which is going to be 10, and I'm going to do one eye at a time. It did say the eyelash glue that it comes with dries pretty quickly, so to work either really quickly or in sections when gluing down. Okay, this is a large, medium. Do I need smaller, medium? Oh my god, I didn't bring a mirror. I am immensely crazy if I'm thinking I'm doing that without a mirror. So I didn't put any eyeshadow on at all, by the way. I did carve out my brows with some concealer, so there's some concealer at the top, but I don't think that should really interfere with anything. And then I also just powdered the lids. I don't want to do the small, even though I do have short lashes. My concern is that the lashes will be too curled, like oddly curled. So let's see if we should just do medium. I'm almost gonna do large. No, that's excessive. Let's go with medium. I'm so nervous. Let's do one eye at a time. This would probably be easier if you had someone to help you. Like, how am I gonna get it to be my eye shape? This will be fine. We'll be fine. I'm going to apply my lash glue first, all over the lids. Someone said to be very generous with the eyelash glue and to really try to get the pad or the rod extremely close to your lash line. So that's what I'm going to try to do. This is kind of ridiculous how much eyelash glue is on my eyeball or on my eyelid. Horrible. Okay, let's grab their eyelash glue. Let's apply it directly to this thing. Their thing applies like no glue at once. This thing is like nothing's coming out. Okay. Let's give that a couple seconds to dry up. My eyelashes are sticking to the eyelash glue. Crises averted. Oh my god, my double eyelid sticking to itself. Oh my god, it went back up. Okay, I'm gonna focus on the back lashes. Oh, I feel like that went on much better. Holy shit. Okay, okay. We might be getting somewhere. That might have been good. That might have been good. Now, we placed it on the eyelid. Once you've secured your eyelid, put some more glue onto the front of the rod so you can glue your eyelashes to it. Grab a toothpick and put your eyelashes on and make sure they're fanned out as much as possible. And then we're going to be dipping a Q-tip into the lash perming solution and leave it on for 8 to 12 minutes. I'm going to go with 10. Should bring up my timer here. Let's do 10 minutes. Okay. So I have it ready. Let's go ahead and use their eyelash glue. Seems like it might be fine for hair, right? I'm gonna try to keep this all on the rod and not get any of it in my eyeball. Obviously, right? I don't have a Q-tip, I don't have a toothpick, so I'm gonna try to use tweezers or a bobby pin. I don't think there's enough eyelash glue to hold eyelashes on this thing. Okay. So my thing stopped recording for a little bit. I don't know what you missed. I'm trying to get my eyelashes glued down to this thing, but this thing is drying fast. So I have to do this section by section. This thing's faster than what they said. They said it was fast. They didn't say it was this fast. I didn't have a toothpick to put my hairs down, so I'm using a bobby pin. Oh, this is gonna be too curled, isn't it? Oh, this thing's getting covered in glue. I should have brought like 85 bobby pins. I'm just like pushing it up and then holding it for like 2 seconds to see if the glue is going to stick it down, and repeat the process until it does. Once it gets tacky, it's really hard to like re-go in though. So this is kind of a very difficult task. That is all the lashes. They are all glued down. Just doing an extra double checking. So they're glued now. We need to put the solution on and then we'll leave that on for 10 minutes. Let's grab the solution. This is number 1, eyelash perming solution. It's like uncomfortable to have your eye being pulled like this. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with a Q-tip and use a decent amount of this. Did they say decent? Let's double check before we do this. And then we'll throw on a 10-minute timer. Coat lashes generously. Gotcha, ma'am. And then 10 minutes. Let's try to keep this eye closed so I don't get anything into it. It's really hard to do when you're trying to keep this eye closed because your nose gets in the way of this eye looking at this eye. Isn't that friggin' hilarious? Alright, 10-minute timer, let's go. After 10 minutes, take a clean Q-tip and remove the perming solution. Take another Q-tip into the green eyelash treatment and coat for 10 minutes. This is a cleanser. Treatment? Oh, that's this, the second one. Okay. Okay, guys, it's been 10 minutes. Why is the sun getting brighter? Okay, guys, it's been 10 minutes. The sun came out. so there's a little bit of sun everywhere, but I'm going to go in, try to remove the solution. I'm going to start towards the base of the lashes and then go upward, just so I'm moving the product away from my eye and not really towards the eye. We're gonna go in with the treatment and leave this in for 10 minutes. This like waiting process is what sucks the most, and that's so weird that that's what sucks the most. But my eyes don't like actually burn or anything, but it definitely feels like there's something on there. Let's see, we're gonna go in with the treatment generously or no? Generously, I think was what they meant. So make sure we're using treatment and not perming again. In fact, where is my perming? Okay, perming's right here, number 1. We're using number 2 now. And applying this everywhere. I feel like some of my lashes are going to look crinkled towards the ends of them, because I feel like I might have actually needed to use the medium one instead of the small, but it's already happened, so I feel like this lash is trying to fall off. Oh no, it's like really crinkled towards the end here. No, I should have used the medium like I said I was going to. Anyway, 10 minutes, let's see how this goes. Been 10 minutes, please ignore the sun. I'm so upset with the sun right now, it's just doing things. Anyway, let's go ahead and remove this. I have zero hope for these lashes. I don't think they came out right at all. I think they're all like very bent, oddly. Hopefully that's not the case, but to be honest, it looks like that might be the case. And life's just like that sometimes, but let's see. We're gonna remove this, and then we're gonna take another Q-tip, and we're going to be applying the, do we clean before I put on the treatment? I use the cleaning solution at the end. So let's apply the Restore here. Eyelash Restore. A very clear serum. It looks like it just got immediately soaked up into the cotton swab though. Cotton swab Q-tip. You know what sucks is I have to do this again, like on my other eye. I have to wait another 25 minutes, not to mention the amount of time it takes to do like the in-between things, like getting your eyelashes to stick on there and whatnot. Okay, so I have applied this. This formula is much thinner, so it doesn't feel like I've applied as much because you can't really see it. But it looks like I've been taking off some of that solution, so it seems like it is coming off. We're gonna leave this on for 3 to 6 minutes. Yeah, see, that's way too curled. I should have used the medium. Yeah, I'm so sad. It's whatever. Life's just like that sometimes. 3 to 6 minutes. Here we go. I'm gonna do like 4 minutes. And it's been 4 minutes. So let's start cleaning up with the eyelash cleanser. And while I was waiting for that, I had the crazy idea that I should use the medium for the right eye, even if I used the small for this eye. Because, well, of course, I have to see the results, obviously, but I'm thinking it might be the better one, and even if I use the small here, it's better to correct one eye than correct 2 eyes, right? And for the correction process, someone said they just like applied the perming solution and had it weigh it back down, like if areas, excuse me, not areolas, if areas were more like kinked than others. So let's just make sure we get everything off. I also have basically non-existent eyelashes, so you probably couldn't see this whole time anyway, but let's keep taking this off. Okay, now I'm scared to take this off. Is it? Oh no, because I used my eyelash glue first. It's pretty easy. I wonder if I can try to use this to remove it from my lid. It's pretty kinked up. The lashes don't look the best. I'm actually gonna wash this off with some like pharmacy cleaning balm because this is very, very sticky on my eyes, and hopefully the wash will kind of get everything off the eyelash too. Then I'm gonna go into the right eye Ooh. Then I'm gonna go straight into the right eye and come back when I'm done with all of that. Guys, I figured it out when it came to this eye. This eye is a little bit weird. The curl of it, yes, it's definitely curled, but the curvature of it is like way too curled. It's way too twisted in, and so that's just not the best. So the curve of these eyelashes are like that, where it's curving way too hard, and some of it's not even like curled, it's like a kink curl. It's like a type of a situation going on. So when I went in with the second eye, instead of applying the perming solution to the whole rod, like the whole eyelash from bottom base to top, I just did it at the bottom base, so like the lower half of my lash, so that this would be permanent, and then whatever my normal lash is kind of doing, it would just do that instead of going like that, because no one wants that, right? So I tried to record this earlier. For some reason it didn't record, but I just threw on one coat of mascara on this eye, and I'm gonna go in on this eye now. This is kind of just to show you, because my eyelashes are really thin and I don't have that many of them, a little bit better. This is like a pretty dry formula, so it's not that much. It's not doing that much for like volume or length. It's kind of just adding pigmentation, so. Wowza. Can you see that? I hope this lasts a long time. Someone in the review said it lasted them about 2 weeks, and then someone else said it lasted them a month. It says 35 to 50 days on the packaging, so let's lean towards like 35 days. It's probably more likely. Wow, I'm so impressed. I wish you could like see this. Can you tell? Like, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Everything went a lot smoother with my right eye. I don't know if it's just, well, no, I know it's because of the second time you're doing something. I had way less eyelash glue. No one said don't put all the perming solution on the whole lash. I guess it worked out for them. It didn't really work out for me. Like I said, I did use the small one on this one. So if this is like the rolling, shape of the roll, the pink thing, my lashes were kind of doing this, and by the time it hit here, it wasn't able to keep going that way, so it just went back up. You know, it was weird. So this one's a little bit kinked out. I'm going to let it kind of drop on its own, and then the next time I'll do it, I'm going to use the medium one, use a little bit larger than you think you would need, and then also only apply the permanent solution at the bottom. But I've got to say, for $12.99, yeah, for about $13, I'm pretty impressed by this. I will never use this eyelash glue for anything other than like this specifically, because that thing is strong. But this was pretty great, and they have so much solution left in here that this will probably last me more than 4 more times, like 6 times at the least. This thing's gonna last me a while, and if that even is like 2 weeks worth of time, give me 6 more uses. 3 months? What is math? Anyways, I'm gonna try to put this back together. What went here? Oh, the weird rods. Like, why do I have shoelaces in here? I don't understand these. Why these were in here. This is just bizarre. Don't like it. Could you imagine putting your eyelashes on this? If that one was too small, this thing's gonna make it look like a... I'll have the product listed down below. I'm sorry if there were any lighting changes. Today's weather was a little bit wacky, but I will see you guys in my next one, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching.